Do you like to automate your Instagram by automating the short form video creation and by automating the video uploads? Then this is for you. You can go ahead and download the automation app right now. And if you want to build your own automation software, you can use the source code which you can download. And even better, if you want to learn about Instagram automation, look no further. Click on the link below. As you can see on the screen, I have the automation software that I had built for the Google Gemini's API developer competition, and it is already running. And this is the first app that automatically generates the video based on the latest live news from Google News, as well as summarizing with the help of Gemini AI, along with text-to-speech realistic voiceover. And this is a second application which automatically uploads the auto-generated video to Instagram every 7 minutes. And this is rate limited so that we don't exceed the number of videos that we upload by violating any Instagram policies. So I'm going to show you from scratch how to start the application and how to run it. So I'm going to stop the containers. And before I do that, I would like to show you the videos that are generated right now. As you can see, the last video was posted 14 minutes ago, 22 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, and so on. So the videos are automatically getting generated and uploaded automatically successfully. As you can see, the 7 minutes has elapsed and it is uploading the new video to Instagram. So it is 453 posts. So if the video was uploaded successfully, it should be 454 posts. And yeah, it is 455. So 2 videos had been uploaded in the last few minutes, the last 36 seconds, the last 8 minutes. So let me show you how to start this application from scratch. So these are the 2 Docker containers which are running. I'm going to stop them, I'm going to delete them, and we are going to see together how to start a new application. As you can see on the screen, you will see a quick setup guide which you can download along with your application. And here we have step-by-step guide along with a prerequisite. So Docker is a prerequisite. So depending on your operating system, you can install Docker and set it up. And once that is done, and once you download the source code of your application, if you had downloaded application 1 or the application 2, steps are mentioned here. Depending on which application you had downloaded, or if you had downloaded both of the application, you will see a zip file in which the application resides. So you can extract the zip file, and after extracting, you should see an application like this. This is the first application which generates the video automatically. The only thing that you will have to do is configure it with the API keys as required. As for the very first application, to edit the configuration, you can edit the build.sh file using a text editor. And as you can see, the first application uses 3 API keys. It uses a Gemini AI to summarize the news article. It uses a News API to fetch the related news images, and it also uses Pixels API to get the stock images in case there are no relevant news images. You can substitute X, Y, and Z with the API keys that you obtain. The links are provided in the PDF. So once it is updated, you can save and close this file, and you can run this build.sh file. The same steps are applicable for the second application as well, which is the automatic uploader. You can open the Newsgram uploader folder after extracting it, and you can edit the build.sh file. As you can see, the automatic uploader app requires only the username and the password to be configured in the build.sh file. And after you have configured it, you can save it and run it. Since we have configured the required username, password for the automatic uploader app, as well as the API keys for the automatic video generator, we can start the application. So for the first application, I'm inside the extracted folder newsgram.ai. Before you run the build.sh file, you can give the required permission, executable permissions. You can run the command chmod +x build.sh file. And all these steps are outlined in the PDF file, which is downloaded and provided along with the artifacts when you download it. So once the permissions are granted, we can run the build.sh file like this. This will automatically create the application and start the application for you. This is the only step that you'll have to do. And within a few seconds, the application is already running. I can use the docker logs command to inspect the logs. As you can see, it is downloading the text-to-speech voiceover model, and it will soon start extracting the news and creating short form videos automatically. As you can see, it is fetching the news, it is summarizing the use of Gemini API, and soon we will see final video saved. And under news_post is where you'll see the auto-generated videos, and this is the first application. Now let's run the second application. This is the Instagram uploader. Remember to give the executable permissions using chmod command, and we can start the application by running the build.sh file. And the application is started. As you can see, we have successfully logged in to our Instagram account, and in the given folder, a new file has been found. So this file will be uploaded after 7 seconds. So after a file is successfully uploaded to Instagram, it goes into the folder and deletes the file. So all the auto-generated video files are uploaded to Instagram automatically every 7 minutes. This can also be configured. And another important configuration that I would like to show you is, I would like to show you this folder where the application scans for new files and uploads to Instagram. So this is the path of the folder where the first application auto-generates video, and our second application looks for new files under this location, and it copies into this location automatically, and then it uploads to Instagram. So if you want to change the location of your auto-generated videos, or say you have your own folder, you can configure it right here in line number 15. So these are the important configurations. Let's see the app in action. So both of the apps are up and running, and you should see new videos uploaded to Instagram. As you can see, the new video has been uploaded now for 2 minutes, and you can also find other resources like the folder structure and so on in the landing page. So feel free to check out. And this is a limited offer as we are providing the entire source code of the application, which gives you the power to build your own application using this. It's a great head start if you want to build your own automation software, and it is a very useful tool and a very powerful tool if you want to automate your Instagram by uploading your photos or videos automatically to Instagram. I hope this was really helpful. Thanks for watching.